Oh my god.
एक्सपोज हो जाएगा, मेरे को घर पे रहना है अभी.
I'm just sweating so much. Is that showing on camera?
Oh, I don't want to answer this.
Okay.
Do you think you'll ever be as successful as you want to be?
No. I have lowered my expectations of success after finding out how difficult life can get sometimes. How chasing success means leaving so much else that you value behind.
What is a trait that you regret inheriting from your parents?
My parents and just the environment around me made me think that knowing English equates to how smart you are.
Definitely overthinking.
Immense display of emotions.
Mother's aggression.
The idea of perfection.
My dad is a workaholic, so
Are you doing what you're doing because you want to or because you're told to?
I have been told that you have to be settled and you have to have a safety blanket, and it's important that you earn money, and all of that is right because the world just works in a certain way, right? So I feel like a lot of options were thrown off for me. For example, I'm really interested in sports, and if I had the option, I'd definitely pursue it full time as a career. But a lot of these career options were removed from me, and from the ones that were left, I feel like I had the decision to choose what I wanted to study.
Do you think you will ever find true love?
No. मतलब not Bollywood वाला love, never.
Yes. I am in the position at life where I can confidently say I have found true love.
hopefully, things don't look that great right now, but one day.
Do you have a good relationship with your father?
He had me when he was quite young. He was just 25 when my parents had me. He was still building his life, he's building his career, and he was just never there at home. And
It's like a very formal, not too friendly.
I think I'm at that annoying stage in life where I know in a couple of years I will understand my parents better, but I'm at that rebellious stage where I just don't want to understand them,
Have you ever lied when you said I love you?
to people that you used to love, but they don't know that you have sort of stopped loving them, so then you don't know how to have that awkward conversation. I might be a toxic person.
I don't think I've lied, I just don't think I meant it.
Have you been a bully?
I've bullied as a kid. I've bullied people.
I've always been bullied.
I have been bullied, so no, I haven't been a bully.
I have been bullied, I guess. I wish the school was kinder.
I have been bullied so much.
Did you have a hard time believing Me Too stories?
Not at all, because I've had things happen to me, and when somebody came out saying that, me too, I remember putting it up on my Facebook wall as well, saying me too, and so many relatives were shouting you too, what? I'm yeah, it happens, and just because, we don't talk about it, and we did choose to talk about it now, it doesn't undermine the fact that it's happened and it did.
Have you ever been homophobic?
I was possibly in third or fourth standard, and I remember boys around me used the term gay as an insult. And so in my brain, it automatically meant that, because it's an insult, it's something bad.
You will see Kal Ho Na Ho mein Kanta Ben. You will be like, okay, this is not, and this is something which people make fun of.
People used to hate Justin Bieber for because they assumed he was gay. In childhood, definitely, because it's inherited.
Do you hate the pressure to be woke on the internet?
I feel like I just need to know everything before I say anything at all.
So I like that our generation has this pressure, because I believe that this is what will drive us to be a better generation in the future.
Have you called out family members for being problematic?
If I am somebody who believes something so strongly, and if I can tell a stranger on the internet that don't be homophobic or don't be casteist, it is wrong, and I don't do that same in my family, then that's very hypocritical of me.
Majority of time it's not, it doesn't go well. It's हमें बताएगा तू वैसा.
I'm called a lot of things in family functions because I don't stop.
How aware are you of your parents' mental health?
The whole concept of mental health doesn't exist in my family.
Our parents just don't have the language to describe what it means to have bad mental health through no fault of theirs.
When was the last time you cried and then pretended to be fine?
I think last night itself,
I was exhausted about everything, and I like अब मेरे को जाना है. I have completed my college. I've got a job. It's like so many lives has changed, but ऐसे कुछ change नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे.
Are you jealous of your sibling?
One of the reasons I'm also jealous of my sibling is because my sibling has a great, very intimate relationship with my father.
You know, like I've not done commerce, but I know like there is like a balance sheet, right? So there would be things that I am jealous about, then there would be things that I'm like not at all jealous about. Like I'm like, "Oh, I got this better."
What lies have you said to your parents to cover up your love life or your sex life?
Oh my god. So many.
I'll choose not to answer this.
well, I feel like my parents will be watching this.
Have you judged someone because of their religion?
Hijab is like a sign of oppression. I used to genuinely not know that it can be a choice, because I feel like that's the way it has been shown in media. That's the way it's been shown in pop culture.
Do your religious beliefs align with your parents?
पापा ने एक दिन उसके वो हेडलाइट के ऊपर मस्त भगवान का स्टिकर लगा दिया बड़ा सा रेड कलर का. एंड आई लाइक क्यों, ये एकदम मंदिर की प्रॉपर्टी लग रही है. उसके कारण भी थोड़ा फ्रिक्शन हुआ था. दे आर लाइक तुम मत यूज कर.
Have you been a bystander to harassment because of fear?
So I had a friend who identified as a part of the LGBTQ plus community who was harassed quite a bit in our school, and I wish I had been more proactive and like spoken against it, but I was really like scared about my sort of quote unquote social standing in the classroom.
Are you okay?
That's a lovely question. Define okay, I would say.
I feel like I'm not okay now, but I'm also like leaving for college in a month. So just the thought and knowing that that's happening soon makes me okay.
No one is okay.
No, I'm not okay.
Yes, I am okay.